Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And of course, a bit of a wintry start today as we have a mixture of rain, drizzle, freezing drizzle, and freezing rain across some parts of the ArkLaTex. We also have a winter weather advisory that is in effect for the northern sections of the ArkLaTex, these areas of purple. Area of pink is where we do have a winter storm warning, where the potential for some heavier freezing rain will exist here for the next 18 hours or so. Let's take you through the next couple of days here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Do have the temperatures over the top of the model here, and you can see where we are pretty close to freezing now. Likely will stay there during the nighttime hours tonight with areas of rain and freezing rain and moving through parts of the ArkLaTex. You can see the precipitation will be heaviest early tomorrow morning over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, where we will be above freezing. Not too concerned about icing here, but basically from Interstate 30 and points north and west, that's where we could see some ice accumulation. More on that, how much, here in a second. Going through tomorrow, temperatures will gradually warm up for the most part for most of the ArkLaTex. Might continue to see temperatures stay below freezing across the northern sections of the ArkLaTex, and you can see that heading into tomorrow evening. We will be in the 40s and even some low to middle 30s across the north and western sections of the area during the afternoon. Tomorrow that precipitation will end. We'll start Friday off maybe with a little bit of sunshine across the area. Notice quite cold across the northern parts of the ArkLaTex, and then we will see the rain begin to move back into the region to close Friday. Now, as far as the rainfall accumulation, this is the outlook from the Weather Prediction Center, which takes into account various different ensembles and provides various amounts. And this is what I think is the best representation of what's going to happen. You can see the lighter green, that's where we're looking at totals of a hundredth to maybe a tenth. We could see a tenth to a quarter of an inch over the northern sections of McCurtain County. So this is where we are more than likely going to see some accumulation. Again, some minor spotty accumulation possible further to the south along Interstate 30, especially here in Bowie County, maybe down towards Mount Pleasant as well. But by far the heaviest and most concerning accumulations will occur over the northern sections of Bowie County. Now, as far as Saturday, let's move forward with the longer range version of Futurecast. You can see Friday evening, the showers will be continuing. We'll see a little bit of a decrease Friday night into Saturday morning, and then heavier rains will return to the ArkLaTex heading into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Not the best of news for the Mardi Gras festivities across the area. That rain will continue through Saturday night, and then we should see it quickly come to an end Sunday with some sunshine returning to the area late Sunday. As far as rainfall potential, models showing that we could see, if you add it all up here, the rain now as well as Saturday, most of the area, good half an inch to an inch. We could have a sliver of the ArkLaTex that picks up anywhere from an inch to an inch and a half. So again, we do have, as I mentioned, that winter weather advisory in effect for the northern parts of the area. If your county is colored, be extra careful traveling, especially on the bridges and overpasses. As roads pretty much okay at this point, but bridges and overpasses and exposed surfaces are those that will be most apt to develop some slick spots here in the next 24 to 36 hours. So your forecast looks like this. As we go through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see, again, areas of rain with some freezing rain north. Temperatures will be close to freezing, a little bit cooler across the north and western sections of the area, mid to upper 30s further to the south. And tomorrow we'll see mainly rain across the region with scattered showers. Temperatures should warm up into the low 40s in Shreveport, probably low to middle 30s across the northern sections of the ArkLaTex, low 50s further to the south and east for tomorrow. 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures across the ArkLaTex that will be warming up once we get past Saturday, close to 60 by Sunday, mid 60s Monday, 70s return by Wednesday, upper 70s by next weekend. And once we get the rain out of here late Saturday night, Sunday morning, it looks like we could be looking at a good solid week of dry weather across the ArkLaTex. So repeating once again, we do have that winter weather advisory basically near and north of Interstate 30. Be mindful of the possibility of slick spots as you travel, if you have to travel. Otherwise, we'll see the rain become the prominent impact in our weather as we head towards the weekend.